lines in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Qualification match number 58 is underway, and immediately we see the Oxford Robocat shooting in 1, 2, maybe 3 notes for the Red Alliance. Over on blue, 2 of these robots look to have gotten rid of their match loads, and I only see 1 on the ground, meaning 1 of them is scored. Moving into Teleop, the Red Alliance is up only by 3 points. Hopefully this Blue Alliance is going to be able to do the best they can to close that gap. And we're going to see Saddlebots right out of Teleop starting to bring over a note for their team. On the other side, we see the Oxford Robocats picking one up from the center of the field, looking to hopefully score that in for red. We see their partner, Robot Commander, with a note in their robot. Maybe they're going to bring that over to the AMP. We'll see what they decide to do with it. And 9748 has a blinking RSL, but does not seem to be moving right now. Hopefully they're able to get that issue resolved before this match is over. 2137, the Oxford Robocats appear to have a note potentially stuck in their robot. They're going to try and clear that out, and they do. Over on the red side of the field, we have all of the robots. They really like this red side, but 9651 and 9242 are both going to bring their robots over to the blue side. 9242, the Hammondy Hawks now, with a note in their robot. They're lining up to score. They don't quite get it. Saddlebots do, though. And the Oxford Robocats are back with a note. 9748 seems to have figured out whatever was plaguing them, as they are now moving, which is great. They're going to play some defense on those 2 blue robots, including the Saddlebots. And the Oxford Robocats are going for a note in the blue source, but they have to pivot strategies and go back to the red side of the field. This is a close one. Only 6 points are separating these 2 alliances with about 40 seconds left, and the Oxford Robocats are trying to extend their lead for red as they line up on the red source, or on the red amp. They score into the red amp and are going back to grab another one from the blue side of the field. And 9242 looks to be attempting to climb alongside their partner, 9651. 9651 takes a pretty big hit from their partner, the Saddlebots, and appears as though their climb has not gone how they intended it to. 9242 switch into a different chain now as they're going to try and get off the ground. Hopefully they'll be able to. 2137, the Oxford Robocats, looking like they're trying to pick up a note maybe. They're gonna wait for this match to end though. Our unofficial score is only separated by 4 points. 32.